It is a sunny day. Lily has her red ball. Let's go to the park, Red Ball, says Lily. Lily goes to the park. She sees a boy. The boy is sitting on a swing. He looks sad. Lily walks to the boy. Hello, says Lily. My name is Lily. My name is Tom, says the boy. I am sad. I have no toys. Lily smiles. You can play with my ball, she says. It is a red ball. Tom looks at the red ball. He smiles a big smile. Thank you, Lily. Lily rolls the ball to Tom. The ball rolls fast on the green grass. Tom stops the ball with his feet. I have the ball, he shouts. Lily and Tom play all afternoon. They roll the ball. They throw the ball. They are good friends. It is time to go home. Goodbye, Tom, says Lily. Goodbye, Lily, says Tom. Let's play again tomorrow.